This faceless channel has got 80k subscribers and they only create faceless travel videos. If I just scroll down and if I just try to show you 2.9 million, so one of their video has got 2.9 million views just 3 months back. And all they do is just create the faceless travel videos with the help of AI tools. And if you also want to create faceless videos for yourself, for your channel, then this video is for you, because I'm gonna dive you with all the steps through which you can create faceless videos immediately. The first step is creating the right script for yourself, but before that you have to identify which topic you should create the videos on. So the ideal way is you find out such channels where they are creating the faceless videos, and then you identify the topics that has gone viral. For example, like in this case, one of the topic that has got viral is which has got 2.9 million views, so it means that it is a high potential, so we can also create videos on that, right? Similar way, you just do a normal search on YouTube and you will be able to find out so many videos around it, and then you can pick up any of those topics. Once you have decided the topic, just copy that topic. So let me just copy this simple topic, or maybe I can pick the one which they have just created. So 10 countries black people should avoid traveling to. So this is a topic that I'm gonna pick right now. Now, once you have identified the topic, now this is now the second step is to create script for that topic. So what I have done, I have written down a very normal script that you can always check. So I've written down all the prompts inside the description below. You can copy my exact prompt from the description below, and you can also join my WhatsApp community if you want to learn more about how to create faceless content for your channel. So you all you have to do is you just have to replace this topic name with the topic that you have selected, and then you have to go to chat gpt. So for instance, for this video I've written down the exact same prompt that I have used, and after that, like, I've mentioned it out, like what has to be mentioned in the first 15 seconds, what has to be mentioned after the first 60 seconds. Now this chat gpt tool will give you the exact script that you are looking for. So as you can see that this chat gpt tool has given me a killer first 15 seconds script, and then the main content comes from. It has also identified the country for which you want to create the content. Now the second step is to get the voiceover done. So for the voiceover part, you can use multiple tools, but I recommend 11 Labs as they have a very cool feature. In their free feature, they only provide 500 characters. So what you can do is, like, you can paste down the script that you have got one by one. So you can paste down one paragraph and then you can get the voiceover done. You can also choose the uh, person in which you want your voiceover to be done. For example, like if I talk about the Charlie, so let's select the Charlie and then let's just play. So this will take some time and it will gonna give you the voiceover in the voice of Charlie. Once you're
Thinking of booking
satisfied,
your next vacation? Hold on, because you might be.
see, so this way you can decide the character in which you can pick up their own voice. And after after this, if you want, you can you can sign up for their premium version. If not, then what you can do is, like, you can use dub.com. They have a very cool feature they where they provide a 3-day free trial, and you can just copy down the text and then you can, like, get it converted to the male language or to the male voiceover or to the female voiceover. And they have, like, plenty of tools, plenty of voices in their ecosystem. Once your voiceover is done, so now we are done with the research part. Now we are done with the with the script part, and the third part was getting done the voiceover. Now the fourth part is where we have to collect the footages. So for footages, I recommend you five different tools, five different websites. One, the website is videvo.net. All you have to do is, like, you have to just search it which kind of video you want. For example, like if I want the video of Russia, so let's just type Russia and then you just click on search part, and then it will gonna give you all the images. But we don't want images, so we are gonna put out some filters. For example, like, I don't want free clips. I only want the free clips. I do not want the premium clips. Same way, you can, like, put out the city if you want to, or if you can, like, select all the things, and from here you can go ahead and, like, apply this filter. And once the filter is applied, you will be able to see all the clips that are absolutely free. The second tool that I recommend is vidizi.com. Again, they have the same feature where you can, like, type down what you want and in which format you want it, and then once you search it, then you will get enormous content. The third one is pexels.com, so you can select it videos directly from here. And let's say I want the Russia, then you can just search Russia and it will give you all the videos that are free, so you do not need to worry about buying the paid feature of these tools. Fourth website is my Pixabay. They also works in the same way. You can pick down on the basis of landscape, water, snow, wildlife, city, river, and all of the stuff. The fifth one is my favorite, and I believe everyone uses that, which is the canva.com. So you go into the Canva and then you can pick down the videos from the Canva itself, and you can also edit it. So for the fifth part, which is the editing part, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your travel videos. So in order to edit your travel videos, I use Canva. You can use any other tool that you feel comfortable. So what you have to do is, like, you have to search YouTube video, and then you just need to search YouTube video, and after that, like, YouTube video section will come up. Create a blank video. You can pick any of the default format as well, but I want to create video from the scratch, so I'm gonna pick it from the scratch. Create a blank video. After that, like, what you have to do is, like, in just one card they provide up to 5 seconds, so you can, like, add multiple cards so that, like, you can stretch up your video till the time you want to. So it depends, like, how long your script is. So if your script is very long, you can, like, increase the duration of the cards on the basis of that. Now if you want to add video inside this card, so what you have to do is, you have to go to this section called elements, and then you have to search. Let's say I want to search Russia because I want to have I want to create the video around Russia. And then what you need to do, you need to select the videos because I want to have videos, and then you just click on you just select out of the given videos. So let's pick one of them. So I'm liking this one, so you pick one of them, and now you see that it has been implemented. And then you right click on the video, and then after that you set video as a background. Now what will happen, this whole image has been set in the background of this video. Similarly, you can add some more filters. Like, I want to add more filters, right? So now I do not want to replace this video, so what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm quickly gonna shift this to this place, and then I want this video to be get added over here. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm quickly gonna shift it towards the other side. So you just have to delete it, and then you come back to this area, and then you select the video again, and then you select it set video as background. So now you see that this has been set. So this is how you can add videos around it, but right now it looks very unprofessional. So what we have to do is, like, we have to decrease the duration of this video, because this is a very long video and I don't think that people will wait this much. So I think 2 seconds will be sufficient for this, and then 5 seconds will be sufficient for this as well, because this is a very long video. So you can trim down very easily, and then right now, whenever this video will get end, it is coming up immediately. So I need to add some animation. So what I'm gonna do, I'm quickly add some animations to it. So if you see, then we can use some type of different animations that you want to. So I've filtered it down the basis of this, and now if I just play it, so let's see what happens next. So you see, we can also apply on fade feature. Now this has been faded. So this is how you can apply some filters, and this will be done. So this is how you can add more videos. So let me just quickly add some of more videos over here, so that, like, we can quickly rush to the other part. So you go to video section again, and then you pick one of the videos that you want to. This video has been placed incorrectly, my bad, guys. So I want to add it over here, so I've just added it over here, and then you click on right click, set video as background, and that's it, guys. So that is how you can play with more of the videos. So let's add this video, set video as background, and then you reduce the duration of this video as well. So that's it. So now we have created a video of up to, I believe, 15 seconds. So now 50 seconds video has been done, and now we can watch it. So this is how the video will be played. We can add text, we can add voiceovers as well. So just to add the voiceover, what you have to do is, like, you only have to download the voiceover from the app that you used, either from dubdub.com or maybe from 11 labs, and then you have to upload it in the upload section, and then you just add it over here. So your voiceover will play alongside with your video, right? And then if you want to add some more text, then what you can do is, like, for example, like, let's say I want to add text over here, then I can write it down, the text over here, top 10 places, or maybe I can use some different kinds of characters. How about this? So I write 10 places to visit in Russia. And that's it. And now I can place it to the place I want. 10 places to visit in Russia, and that's it, guys. So this is how this will appear. So once this video will get ended, now this will come up, 10 places to visit in Russia. So this is how you can add text to your videos, and you can add animations as well, and you can make as long as you want to. You do not need to depend only on few clips. So this is how all the channels are making videos around it. You just have to find the best content. Like your research part should be good, and after that, like you have to write the script. For that, I have given you my prompt, so you can use the same prompt that I'm using. You can copy this prompt from the description below. After that, you have to get done your voiceover. For the voiceover, you can use dubdub.com or 11 labs, whichever platform you like. And for collection of the footages, you can use the website that I have already mentioned. And after that, you can use any editing tool. I'm using Canva to create faceless content. You can use any editing tool, Photoshop, or maybe Adobe Premiere Pro, or maybe CapCut. So whichever tool you like, add some animations to it, and then boom, your video will get created within no time.